cut off. But it's probably been going for about like 35 minutes so far.
Your watch?
Our hike, yeah.
Did you start your watch when we started?
It does automatically, but when I sat down to pull my GoPro out, it shut off, so it restarted.
Oh. And yeah, I would say that took about 20 minutes. Alright, this is where we need to look for Bigfoot.
I see some tracks.
Actually...
Dog.
No.
Yeah, because you see a boot print too.
Oh, I thought it looked like a cougar. Come on, baby. You think there's a venomous snake out here?
There could be.
Hopefully I will suck the venom. Daddy's on his
We're gonna take a right. We're gonna go past Honeycomb Rock.
It's like straight.
Yeah. Wait. Hold on. Actually, maybe we gotta go this way, babe.
What way? What? Yeah, it looks like it. Ew, not through that anybody.
You gotta walk across the rock. So let me go first and show her.
Yeah, not in the foam. That's nasty. I'm gonna let her off the leash really quick. Okay.
Alright.
Is she okay?
Yeah.
Go, baby.
Come on, Henny. Megan.
Come on, baby, this way. Come on.
She started running through that deep water.
Like, that's so nasty.
Come on. Got it?
Come on, baby.
There
Good
you
girl. Oh my god, that's so fucking gross.
She didn't know what to do, poor thing.
That's so gross.
She's fine. She's fine. Alright, back on.
Come here, baby. Leash on. Come here.
Good girl.
That was so gross.
We got that on video, Henny.
That was so gross. Oh my god. Good
This is
jumping.
whoa.
Good jumpy, baby. Holy smokes. Oh my god.
Whoa. This is a honeycomb rock?
Oh, it does look like a honeycomb. Ew, do you see that spider?
Where?
It's like in a web above us.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Wow.
Okay, 2023. Looking at it. Tinsley? Well, okay.
It's like sand.
Oh, some people have went all the way down there. Well, yeah, look what we're walking on.
Yeah, this is like
It's like the
light,
softest, like
fine
silt.
powder, yeah. I think we're supposed to go around.
Yeah, I don't want to take her that far, like that way. It's too narrow. Come on, baby. Oh, love that.
She's kicking up dust.
Well, it's like sticking to her.
After she just got wet.
Yeah.
Well, we'll walk her through the creek again before we leave.
Oh, okay. Oh, Tinsley, careful. Okay. Oh my god. This is really steep.
Whoa.
Oh, Tinsley. Tinsley. Oh my god, Nathan.
She's good.
Why the fuck are you up here?
This is it.
What? Oh! You're okay.
This is the Devil's Backbone.
Holy shit.
No hikers beyond that point, okay?
Oh my
Oh,
god.
you can see the creek down there? Here, I'll go first.
Yeah. I'm actually a little scared right now. Like,
Whoa. Alright.
Yeah, I'm not feeling so good.
What does that say, babe?
Oh, Hensley, please hold on to her.
She's fine. What does that say?
Uh,
Is that 1887?
I think it's 1787.
No, there weren't people here.
August. Doesn't that look like a 7?
Yeah, August 17th, 87?
Yeah, maybe.
It's fine, babe.
I don't want her to fall off.
She's fine. Wait.
No.
Hold on. I'll go, you go up there, I'll hand her to you, or vice versa.
Yeah, can you go up there first?
Yeah, got her?
And I'll hand her to you.
Here, record me.
Okay. I don't know that I actually am.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Whoa. All right.
Oh my god.
She wasn't waiting for you, babe.
Oh my god.
She wasn't waiting for you.
That
Here.
scared me. No, I'm good.
All right.
Oh my god. I don't like heights like this.
All right, well then why don't you just have a seat for a minute and hold her
Okay.
on that rock.
Hensley Jane.
Whoa.
Wait, do we have to go back down that way?
We're going that way.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go back that way.
There's some old carvings on here.
Gotta not look down.
This is the bird, I think.
is?
Yeah.
Alright, Hensley. You're freaking
Is that
out.
it? See the
Yeah.
head? Yep.
It is.
And then that's like a devil skull.
I thought it was the message that it was bringing.
No, the message it's bringing is below it, right?
There, yeah.
Which is a name. M. Fraser or something?
Oh shit. I can't look down.
That's honeycomb rock down there.
Oh. Stay close to me.
Wow. And is this like a map of the park? Or like where we're at? See, this is the trail that someone
Look at your
carved.
map. Look at your map.
Look, Bob Hinkle.
Yeah. Is there something that looks like a...
Or no, is that the message it's bringing? I don't know. Let's see. Doesn't say on this.
fucking bug?
Besides Devil's Backbone. Life-size bas relief of the devil. Where's that?
A life-size what?
Bas relief. It's like the devil's head and it's got like wings on it. If it's life-size, it should be huge.